So hey guys, once again, welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So guys, as always, I'm back with another video of a unique Chinese handset, and this is from Senexen, which is Senexen Bold T500. So what unique about this device is that it comes with the iPhone like a rear panel. So let's go ahead and unbox this device. So let's start this unboxing guys. So first let me just show you the box. So it's a Senexen Bold T500, and we have again at the back we can see the device images, and we have 2 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM, 5-inch display FWVGA, and we have 5 MP plus 2 camera combinations, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 4G support is there because it has zero support written here, so that is nice. And it is made in India, but it is a Chinese device. I know, and yeah, we have some stickers. So and this side and this side, this side, we have nothing. So let's unbox this. So here you can see the device. So this is a review unit, guys, as you know. So that is, a box is already open, and inside the box, I think we have nothing. Yeah, this cable. It is a Type C cable and nothing as expected, guys. So let me just keep this box side. Okay. So here is the device. So you can see the front. We have this front LED as well. So that is nice, and we have a screen protector pre-applied, and you can see the front camera. And from the front we cannot guess this is iPhone, but if you look the device from rear side, tada, you can see we have exactly iPhone like design, which is of Pro series. So that is really nice. As you can see, we have same exact same body and the shape of cameras. So, and at the bottom it says Connection. That is the only weird thing. And you can see the sides. From sides here we have differences. Yeah. So here is the volume and power switch, and we have a speaker grill and mic, and we have Type C port and headphone jack. And you can see the device is already on. It is a review unit, obviously. So let me just go to about phone. So you can see this comes with Android version of 10. So I think basic apps will run. So and apart from that, you can see this is a basic MediaTek device and running nice, I can say. But yeah, we cannot expect a performance obviously. So currently it is running nice, and obviously out of the box devices run smoothly. And let me show you camera. So as expected, very poor camera. So we cannot expect, guys, obviously. It is a show off device and just for time pass. And so yeah, nice to see device. It is a good looking one for show off. So guys, if you want a device with this kind of design, iPhone like design, then you can buy this. But otherwise, I think it is not that interesting one. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and make sure that you like this video. Subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future. Thank you.